Top 5 Best Xiaomi Phones to Buy in 2025. Comprehensive consumer guide Xiaomi has firmly established itself as a leader in the smartphone market by offering devices that deliver exceptional value for money. While the brand may not yet have the global recognition of Apple or Samsung, Xiaomi's consistent commitment to innovation, high build quality, and top-tier cameras has earned it a loyal following worldwide. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 Xiaomi smartphones of 2025, delving deep into their features, specifications, and the value they bring. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, a mid-range device, or a flagship powerhouse, Xiaomi has something for everyone. We've also included links in the description below for more details on these amazing phones. Let's get started. 1. Redmi Note 11, Affordable Excellence. The Redmi Note 11 continues Xiaomi's tradition of offering excellent performance at an unbeatable price. Designed as a successor to the highly successful Redmi Note 10, this phone takes affordability and quality to the next level. Key features. Display. A stunning 6.43-inch AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2400, and a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. The AMOLED screen offers deep blacks, vibrant colors, and excellent contrast, making it one of the best displays in its price range. Performance. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset, the phone delivers reliable performance for everyday tasks. Choose between 4GB and 6GB of RAM, with storage options of 64GB or 128GB, expandable via microSD. Battery life. The massive 5000 mAh battery ensures up to 2 full days of moderate use. Fast charging at 33 watts keeps you powered up quickly. Cameras. A quad camera system featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor for sharp, detailed images. An 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens for capturing landscapes. 2 additional 2-megapixel sensors for macro shots and depth effects. Why choose it? For those on a tight budget, the Redmi Note 11 delivers incredible value. It combines a premium display, decent performance, and reliable battery life at an affordable price point, making it a top pick in the entry-level segment. 2. Poco X6 Pro. A gamer's delight. The Poco X6 Pro is the ideal choice for gaming enthusiasts and power users who want flagship-like features without spending a fortune. Key features. Display. A 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with 120 Hz refresh rate and 2160 Hz touch sampling rate, offering buttery smooth visuals and excellent responsiveness for gaming. The 2712 by 1220 resolution ensures crisp and vibrant images. Performance. Equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra processor, the phone can handle demanding tasks and high-end games effortlessly. Paired with up to 12GB of RAM, multitasking is a breeze. Battery and charging. A robust 5000 mAh battery supports up to 2 days of light usage or a full day of heavy gaming. The 67-watt fast charger can power the device to 80% in just 30 minutes, minimizing downtime. Cameras. A 64-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, OIS, ensures sharp and vivid photos, even in low-light conditions. Additional lenses provide versatility for wide-angle, macro, and depth shots. Why choose it? The Poco X6 Pro excels in performance, particularly for gamers and multimedia users. Its combination of a high refresh rate display, powerful chipset, and fast charging makes it an unbeatable mid-range option. 3. Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus Mid-Range Marvel. The Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus raises the bar for mid-range smartphones, offering features that rival flagship devices at a fraction of the cost. Key features. Display. A large 6.67-inch OLED screen with 1080 by 2040 resolution and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. It provides deep blacks, excellent contrast, and vibrant colors that make movies and games truly immersive. Performance. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 processor, the phone strikes a perfect balance between power efficiency and performance. With 8 gigabytes of RAM and a generous 256 gigabytes of internal storage, it's built for multitasking and storage-heavy users. Battery and charging. A 5000 mAh battery ensures all-day use, even for heavy users. The standout feature is its ultra-fast 120-watt charging, which can fully charge the phone in just 20 minutes. Cameras. The phone's 200-megapixel main camera is a game-changer in this segment, offering highly detailed and well-balanced photos. Additional lenses for ultra-wide and macro shots add versatility. Why choose it? The Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus combines top-tier camera performance, ultra-fast charging, and an immersive display, making it an excellent choice for users seeking premium features without breaking the bank. Number 4. Xiaomi 13 Pro, the flagship experience. The Xiaomi 13 Pro represents the best of Xiaomi's engineering, offering a premium experience with cutting-edge technology. Key features: display, a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with a peak brightness of 1900 nits ensures excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus for enhanced durability. Performance: powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, it delivers flagship-level speed and efficiency. Memory options include 8 gigabytes and 12 gigabytes of RAM, with storage capacities of up to 512 gigabytes. Battery and optimization. A 4820 mAh battery with advanced power management ensures long-lasting performance, while fast charging keeps you going. Cameras. The triple camera setup includes a 50-megapixel primary lens, offering sharp and vibrant photos. Telephoto and ultra-wide lenses round out the impressive photography capabilities. Why choose it? For those seeking a flagship phone with premium build quality, an outstanding display, and reliable performance, the Xiaomi 13 Pro is a perfect choice. 5. Xiaomi 14 Ultra, the ultimate flagship. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra, launched in February 2025, is Xiaomi's ultimate offering, designed to compete with the best in the market. Key features: display, a stunning LTPO AMOLED panel with Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus support. The 120Hz refresh rate delivers smooth visuals, perfect for gaming and scrolling. Performance: powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, it offers blazing fast speeds and seamless multitasking. Up to 16 gigabytes of RAM ensures peak performance for productivity and gaming. Battery and charging. A 5000 mAh battery supports 90-watt wired and 80-watt wireless charging, setting a new standard for convenience. Cameras. The quad camera system, featuring 450-megapixel lenses, offers unmatched versatility and image quality. Why choose it? The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is the epitome of innovation, delivering top-tier performance, incredible camera quality, and a premium design. It's the perfect choice for those who want nothing but the best. Conclusion: Xiaomi has truly raised the bar in 2025, offering a diverse lineup that caters to different budgets and needs. From the budget-friendly Redmi Note 11 to the ultra-premium Xiaomi 14 Ultra, there's something for everyone. Which Xiaomi phone caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like,